This time I will show you how to make simple crocheted colorful leaf with puff stitches. This leaf made of thicker yarn, and for example I did exact leaf made of cotton yarn. And while crocheting such leaf, I will tell you how to make the variation of this leaf with puff stitches. You can crochet bigger chain space. In this case, I did different chain spaces. Let's get started crocheting. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. I will begin the leaf from this point. Firstly, I'm going to make a ring. Then I will make the cord made of puff stitches. And after that, I will show you how to make a trim for this leaf. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. The ring is ready. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to make the puff stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the working loop to the level of the chain. The first ring is ready. In total it should be 5 of them. First is done, we need to do 4 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook. I hold all loops with my finger. Then yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. Then chain of 2 more. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chains and make a puff stitch. Pull up the working loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. Then 2 chains more. Turn the work and work with the chain and make puff stitch. Insert the hook into the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook. I did 5 strings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything correct, and I will continue. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain, then 2 chains more. So continue working in this way till you will get 6 puff stitches. Let's count in this leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done 6 puff stitches. Now I complete the 6th one. Make a chain. turn the work, chain of 3 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the chain and make single crochet. Then chain of 5 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain by working with single crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space and single crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space. Insert the hook into the ring by making 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and work with the opposite side. I'm going to make different number of chain spaces. Make a chain of 5 and single crochet. This is the 5 chain space. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain of 5 for a chain space. You can make 3 chain space. After this chain space you can crochet 3 chain space or 4, then single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, insert the hook into the chain stitch by working with slip stitch. Let's stop and look at the work. Now I'm going to tell you the variation of the sleeve. For this sleeve I did 3 chain spaces, and if you turn the sleeve upside down you will see 5 chain spaces on the opposite side. And in this case I did 2 chain spaces made of 5 chains and 2 chain spaces made of 3 chains. And I will continue. Now I show you how to make the trim for this sleeve. Make a chain, make single crochet, half double crochet and 3 double crochet into the same chain space, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet and single crochet. Work with 5 chain space, make single crochet, half double crochet, make 5 double crochet in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 double crochet, then half double crochet and single crochet. I have done trim of chain spaces. Work with the next chain space, make single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet, and so on. Then you should make trim in this way for this chain space and for the next one. I did trim for the 2 chain spaces. Now I'm going to work with opposite side, and let's begin. Make single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch. Now I am making stalk. Make a chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain more and work with the second stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 single crochet in a row. Insert the hook into the 2 loops of the single crochet, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through all loops on the hook. Then single crochet into the next chain space, half double crochet, and 5 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then half double crochet and single crochet. Then you should make trim in the same way for the next 2 chain spaces. I did trims for the next 3. Now make trim for the last one. Make single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet in a row, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, and single crochet. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch in the beginning by working a slip stitch. The leaf is ready. For more beautiful look, I make a picot made of 3 chains. Work a slip stitch into the same chain stitch. The leaf is made. Let's take a look at the back side. And it is front. Today we have learned how to crochet a beautiful simple leaf made with puff stitches. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. For demonstration I have made exact leaf made of thicker yarn. This is first example. In this case I did 3 chain spaces. Here I did 2 chain spaces made of 5 chains and 2 chain spaces made of 3 chains. Please don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.